it's good to donate to charities because
it helps people in need.
We're wearing red today to raise money for comic relief because red is their colour.
Elaine Primary, and this is the Merit Assembly. Today we would like to celebrate the children that have achieved merits. Well done to everyone that has tried their hardest this week.
Miss Brake would like to award the merit to Caden for showing excellent communication and relationships by helping his peers to solve algebra problems in maths. Well done, Caden.
Miss Blake would also like to award a merit to Bobby Lee for writing an excellent persuasive letter in English this week. Well done, Bobby Lee.
In Tanzanite class, Mr. Paul would like to award the merit to Lewis for wonderful work ethic and for producing some excellent writing for our English writing outcome. Well done, Lewis.
Mr. Paul would also like to award a merit to Gracie May Malone for having a great mindset and working well in all her lessons this week, especially in English. Well done, Gracie May.
In Onyx class, Miss Daniels would like to award the merit to Mia Rose for showing great creativity with her independent learning. Well done, Mia Rose.
Miss Parsons would like to award Keegan a merit for his contributions to class discussions and demonstrating our character skill of relationships. Well done, Keegan.
In Miss Swire's class, Aman has the merit for amazing effort in your Boxercise class. Well done, Aman.
Miss Swire would also like to award a merit to Oliver Kay for modelling our value of excellence when demonstrating a knowledge about 2 digits by 10. Well done, Oliver Kay.
In Emerald class, Miss Lacker would like to award the merit to Isabella for being a role model to the rest of Emerald class. She consistently shows the school values and always has a huge smile on her face. Well done, Isabella.
Miss Lacker would also like to award a merit to Lacey for showing resilience in her maths learning this week. Although she found it challenging, she didn't give up and showed great positivity. Well done, Lacey.
In Amber class, Miss Johnson would like to award the merit to Leo for improving his handwriting, working hard on his letter formations and presentation. Well done, Leo.
Miss Johnson would also like to award a merit to Darcy for always showing excellence. You are always so kind and polite to everyone in school. Thanks for being an amazing role model. Well done, Darcy.
In Hematite, Miss Parron would like to award the merit to Jack for having resilience and a growth mindset, to always try their best and help others. Well done, Jack.
Miss Parron would also like to award a merit to Daisy Grace for having resilience and a growth mindset, to always try her best and help others. Well done, Daisy Grace.
In Miss Ola's class, Amy has the merit for being a great support to pupils and helping with learning. Well done, Amy.
Mr. Stewart would like to award a merit to Junior for settling back into the school routine well and having a really positive attitude towards his learning. He has also been supporting his friends too. Well done, Junior.
In Elm class, Miss Barnes would like to award the merit to Sean for having a positive mindset with his English learning and showing kindness by supporting his peers in his PE lesson. Well done, Sean. Miss Ola would like to award the merit to Leo I for modelling our value of excellence and being green. Well done, Leo I.